Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, and this one is in vivid black. It's got a cool silver pinstripe in it. We have dual disc braking up in the front, and this one also does have ABS, front and rear. We have rider and passenger floorboards. We have a heel-toe shifter, speakers for the passenger, and we have a luggage rack in the back. Miles on this bike are pretty low. We are at 6,958. It's a really clean looking bike. Screaming Eagle intake, and of course we've got the matching Screaming Eagle exhaust. Everything's on the quick release. So come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.